Right.
Is it working now? Okay. Okay, so you'll need to set up the station a little bit before you get started. This is the eye chart that we've provided. You'll need to put it on the wall, probably about eye level for most of the kids, and mark off a spot about 10 feet away. And that'll be for them to put on the glasses later after you've talked to them to see if they can do the eye chart. The 20/20 line is down here above the red line, so that would be normal vision, 20/20. You'll also need a table that you can put different mazes and chart type things like this. We have the markers in there and the glasses, and they will, after you talk to them, they can put the glasses on and try and find their way through the mazes. And then we have provided these glasses to simulate no vision or just peripheral vision, and the cane. And they'll use probably these glasses with the cane and just have them going against a wall while they're wearing them so that they can feel what's in front of them, to a corner maybe, and then back. And that's pretty much the only setup. So then after, so then as the kids come, I'll go ahead and do the script part of this. All right. So I guess first ask who all's wearing glasses, who has parents that wear glasses, who has friends that wear glasses, and have them raise their hand. If there's a little girl or a little boy wearing glasses, say, look, they're wearing some glasses, and I bet that makes them see better. There's sometimes if there's kiddos that even with their glasses, they don't see very well. And so they have a teacher that comes in, and that's a teacher for the visually impaired, and they will come in and they will help them to see their work a little bit better and be able to read like their peers and do math just like their peers. So we may bring in things that those students that can't see so well, we might bring in things to help them see a little bit better. Sometimes we'll just bring in large print books, and this is an example of a larger print book. It's got big font on it. This one also has Braille on it, and then you can hand that around to everybody and let them feel it. We might bring in just bold line paper. Maybe they just can't see the lines to be able to write, so we'll bring in something like that, and they have darker lines that they can write on. Or we might bring in things like magnifiers, and there's a couple of these in the box. You can show them how it magnifies on the page, and you can pass that around. This book also has Braille in it, so, but this is not a large print book. You would just need a magnifier to be able to see it a little bit bigger. And if they're, if that doesn't work, if large print doesn't work and a magnifier doesn't work, sometimes we have to teach them how to read Braille. And Braille is just a series of dots that is read just like print is read. It's got the alphabet and words and things like that. And this is an example of a Braille book. You can pass that around. We will also have to help them in math. When you guys, kiddos, are using manipulatives, your manipulatives kind of can go all over the place. Well, if you can't see where they are, we would give you something like this, which is an abacus, and this is for counting, and all your manipulatives or your beads stay in one place, and so we would teach them how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, decimals, fractions. We can teach everything off of the abacus. And then this is just an example of a ruler that's in Braille and has inches and centimeters on it. And you can pass that around. And then you would, probably at this point, you would show them the different stations. You might have to divide them up. I don't know how big the groups will be. We have 4 pairs of the cheater glasses that kind of simulate distorted vision, and then 2 pairs of the shielded glasses, but only one cane.